Good morning everyone. This is the video for maths activity, and today we are going to discuss about trick to multiply 3-digit numbers. With conventional method we know how to multiply these two numbers. One number is 432 and another one is 371. In conventional method we used to multiply firstly from 1 to 2, 3 and then 4, then 7 and 2, 3, 4, then we will multiply 3 to 2, 3, 4 and then we add all of them and we got the answer. But in this we have some new tricks. So the first trick is, we know that this is called ones, this is tens and this is hundredth place. So in first step we multiply only ones place digits. The digits on the ones place are 2 and 1. So we will multiply 2 with 1 and we got 1 2s are 2. We will write the answer here. We have got 2. Now in the second step we will multiply ones digit to the tens digit and then this ones digit to the tens digit. We will cross multiply these two digits and how we will write, please look. 3 ones are 3, 7 twos are 14. We will add these two numbers and it will become 17. We write only 7 from the 17 and here 1 is carry over. Now we will multiply ones digit with 100 digit and this ones digit with 100th place digit and then these two tens digits. First we will cross multiply and then straight multiply and then we will add all the three numbers. So 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4 and 7 3s are 21. Now it is 6 4 10 plus 1 it is 11 and then 2 plus 1 31. We can see that we have a carry here, so this carry will be added in that number. So plus 1 it is 32. Now we will write 2 only in our answer and here 3 is carry. Now after that, moving on to the fourth step. In fourth step we will multiply these two places number, means 100 place number with tens number and tens place number with 100th place number. We will cross multiply them like that. 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28 and 3 3s are 9. Add them, it is 37. We have carry 3 here, so we will add this carry in it and the answer is 40. Now we will write 0 of 40 and the 4 is again carry over. Now the last is these two 100 place digits. We will multiply these two digits and the multiplication is 4 3s are 12. We have a carry of 4. We will add this carry in 12 and our answer is 16. Now this 16 we will write here. So the answer is 1,60,272. This is the trick for the sum. Please try this at home. Thank you.